Hey there, Wonder Woman. Flying your invisible plane, I see.
Boy, this is awkward. I'm actually in the lavatory of the invisible plane.
Oh, you mean right now you're...
Yeah.
So I couldn't help but notice you didn't wash your hands in the invisible sink.
Look, there's Mr. Quagmire's plane.
Ladies and gentlemen, keep your eye on the sky for the aerial acrobatics of Captain Glenn Quagmire.
Whoa, gonna need some help here. All right.
Hey, check it out. There's an air show.
Oh my God, they're gonna crash!
No, don't worry. It's a gay air show. They're just gonna lightly touch tips.
This plane's going to Miami!